Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 23rd to January 6th. And the bad news is, look like not many places will get a white Christmas this year. It'll be mostly in the West, if anything. Extreme, maybe northern Maine and parts of the Great Lakes. But overall, it's a green Christmas. We're going to look at the period for December 23rd to the 27th, and we still have our trough here over Alaska. Still have a split flow, southern jet, northern jet, above normal heights here across Canada and much of the country. And heights remain mixed across the Arctic, and with below normal heights across Greenland as well. Okay, looking at the surface, we will have this low pressure system that starts off the California coast, moves inland, and brings precipitation to parts of the Southwest. Snow, you can see snow here across the Northern Rockies and the plains. And then this system will move eastward and into the Rockies on Saturday, and then phase with northern stream energy on Sunday, resulting in this storm system here, bringing more snow to parts of the Colorado Rockies, northern Rockies, parts of the northern plains, and rain and storms will be occurring along this frontal boundary. Then the system will track eastward. It starts intensifying, and then by about late Tuesday, Wednesday, it's into the east. This is the path that is warm here in the east, bringing rain, possibly heavy rain across parts of the east that doesn't need to see more rain after the flooding that we experience here in the east. Okay, and okay, we're going to look at the period for December 28th to January 1st. I thought I was going to do something else. January 28th to January 1st, and the flow remains trough here. Still have a split flow here in the parts of the country. Northern stream, above normal heights cover much of Canada, and the northern states, below normal heights here, which is very El Nino-like. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this region, and I'm calling for anomalies to be as much as 8 degrees below normal for portions of the west. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. Moving ahead. One thing I want to show, it's a new model I'm checking out, I'm testing it. This is the Chinese CMA model, and you can see during this forecast period, it has, for this period, the trough below normal heights more to the west. Let me see if this is the right map. Oh no, that's for the, yeah, okay. It's farther to the west here, cover much of the country, but still a zone of flow. See how that works. And as we get further into the period, it also has above normal temperatures for much of the country, which doesn't make sense, but we're trying this model out and see how it goes. Okay, so for this forecast period, I'm calling for, let's see if I can get the map, above normal temperatures here with anomalies that could exceed 6 degrees above normal here, below normal temperatures for this region, and with anomalies near 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is nearly 35%. above normal precipitation here. Again, for El Nino, probability of occurrence near 35%. Another thing you want to look at, snowfall is below normal across the country. This is current as of today. Not even much of the Rockies have a lot of snow, but this will probably be the areas that will see a white Christmas. And the snow here across the Northeast was wiped away a lot by the heavy rain that they experienced. And now here's last year, much more snow fall cover last year at this time. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 23rd through January 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.